In this Buzzify review, I'll be sharing everything you need to know about this software, Buzzify. It's time to get over boring content and cash into the latest trending topics in 2022. Breakthrough 3-click software uses a secret method to make us $528 a day over and over again, using the power of trending content and videos. All of that without content creation, editing, camera, or tech hassles ever. Even newbies can get unlimited free traffic and steady passive income every day. Buzzify creates beautiful and self-updating sites with hot trending content and videos. Built-in one-click traffic generating system, puts most profitable links on your website using AI, legally use other trending content to generate automated profits, works in any niche or topic, one-click social media automation, people only want trendy topics these days to click, 100% CEO-friendly websites and built-in remarketing system, complete newbie-friendly, and works even if you have no prior experience and technical skills. Set and forget systems with single keyboard, set rules to find publishing and trending posts, automatically translate your sites into 15 plus languages according to location for more traffic, make 5k to 10k with commercial license that allows you to serve your clients and charge them, integration with major platforms including autoresponders and social media apps, inbuilt content spinner to make your content fresh and more engaging, A to Z complete video training is included to make it easier for you, limited time special bonuses worth $2,285 if you buy today. Grab Buzzify now at 80% launch special discount, comes with a free commercial license, it's a one-time price, and it comes with 6 special bonuses worth $2,255. Drive massive traffic and sales to any offer page or link in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Just enter a keyboard to publish trending content in seconds. Step 2. Monetize the trend with best offer or affiliate links. And step 3. Sit back and relax while Buzzify works for you 24/7. No download or installation, no prior knowledge, 100% beginner friendly. In just a few clicks, you can drive endless free traffic and convert it into passive commissions, ad profits, and sales for you on autopilot. Check out what Buzzify early users have to say. Got 2,578 visitors in 15 days on my weight loss and fitness website. I am making an average income of $1,200 a week. Outstanding software. Use others' trending content and videos on your website to generate automated traffic. No doubt, old and boring content is not working today. These are not working on social media, not on YouTube, and not even worth publishing on your own website. And the reason why you don't get free traffic, loses sales and commission, and must think of paid traffic methods, my friends. But before revealing our secret, let me ask you a question. How many times have you read or watched about headlines like 10 reasons why Game of Thrones Season 8 is going to change the series forever? We finally understand why Marvel started with Iron Man. One team who shouldn't win the Fortnite Cup for sure. We have all clicked and read such viral posts while surfing online regularly. People only want trendy articles and videos. This is working like a miracle. Trending content is the winner in 2022 and beyond. The idea is simple. Trending content you have, more traffic you get, more leads and commission you generate. And do you know how much people are making using the power of trending content and videos? Here's Ryan's World, a 10-year-old kid that has over 31.9 million subscribers with a whopping net worth of 32 million. Yes, you heard me right, he's just 10 years old but making it big. Even pro marketers are bidding heavily on trendy content. Mr. Gary Vee, an entrepreneur and business guru, who's also known as the first wine guru that has a net worth of over 200 million. And now you will be shocked to know how much these viral content sites make online. BuzzFeed, 5 billion traffic, 300 million revenue. Upworthy, 5 million traffic, 10 million revenue. WittyFeed, 1 million traffic, 10 million revenue. Viral Nova, 1 million traffic, 100 million revenue. TechCrunch, 25 million traffic, 25 million revenue. Washington Post, 200 million traffic, 100 million revenue. Dear struggling marketer, from the desk of Ayush Jain and Pranshu Gupta, I'm Ayush Jain, along with my friend Pranshu Gupta. We are happily living the internet lifestyles since the last 10 years with full flexibility of working from anywhere at any time. Over time, we've learned that to be successful online, you must get your hands on a foolproof system that works again and again. And without a doubt, that's trending content. Till now, you might already have discovered that trending content is an untapped goldmine to tap into oceans of viral traffic that's ready to be pounced upon to boost leads, sales, and profits for your offers. And getting thousands of visitors, leads, and commissions every day following this proven system. And that's a real deal. But here's the problem. Creating engaging content daily is painful and time consuming. You need to research, plan, and write content daily, and staying up to date with latest niche trends needs a lot of effort. You need to be on camera. This can be a major blocker in cases you are shy or introvert and have a fear that people would judge and laugh at your videos. You need to learn complex video and audio editing skills. Most software are complex and difficult to learn, especially if you are a non-technical guy like us. Buying expensive equipment can leave your bank accounts dry. To even get started with first video, you need expensive equipment like a nice camera, microphone, and video audio editing software that will cost you thousands of dollars. Driving traffic to your content is the biggest challenge and costs hundreds of dollars. You need to be consistent with uploading videos every day for months until you see good visitors. If you only have channels on YouTube, you're 100% dependent on them. Many times they shut down accounts without prior notice. That's scary stuff. So you need full control on your business by having self-grown video channels on your own domains. Proudly presenting Buzzify, a breakthrough software that uses a secret method to make us $528 a day over and over again using the power of trending content and videos. Drive massive traffic and sales to any offer page or link in just 3 simple steps. Just enter a keyword to find a published trending content. Just enter your keywords. Buzzify will find and post super engaging videos and articles legally and share on social media platforms automatically to bring targeted traffic using special tag management. Step 2. Monetize the trend with the best offer or affiliate links. This system uses artificial intelligence to decide the best offer or lead grabber on your site, totally hosted on our servers to make sure that you make profit out of every niche. Step 3. Sit back and relax while Buzzify works for you 24/7. You can directly drive the free traffic generated to your affiliate offer and cash it using Amazon ads or simply collect leads. Set rules once and forget it works 24/7 for you, and you can create as many sites as you want. Find hot and trendy content in seconds for any niche and spin it to make it unique. Trendy content is the king, and Buzzify helps you to fill your sites with trendy content that grabs eyeballs. Just enter your niche-related keywords and bang. You'll be amazed to see fresh, popular, and trending content and articles that gets visitors glued right to your desktops in less than 60 seconds. Even modify the content using our ultra-fast and super easy spinner and create engagement boosters sipping your hot cuppa. Legally use other people's trendy videos and profit from it. Videos are the best way to share more in a few seconds. But creating them is not everyone's cup of tea. With Buzzify, that'll be an issue of the past. Just enter a few keywords for your niche, and you have all the hot, popular videos from the video sharing giant YouTube. The secret formula is 100% legal, and you can start profiting from it today. Get unstoppable leads in your favorite autoresponder or dashboard. Buzzify has been custom created to enable you to get fast and easy integration with top autoresponders. Import your leads directly to your favorite autoresponder and you're all set out to rock. Done for you. Color themes to create your beautiful and trendy content-rich viral sites. These attractive, eye-catching and premium themes have been created keeping every marketer's needs in mind. They will prove to be a great add-on for your purchase. All you need to do is use them and see a huge boost in conversions, leads and sales, hands down. Loaded with proven, converting and ready to use lead and promo templates and an easy and fast editor. Just tweak them within minutes using our editor to create a high converting promo to maximize profits. No matter what industry you're in, our enticing template offers your business a way to truly stand out and skyrocket conversions. Create SEO friendly pages automatically. Worried whether Buzzify follows SEO guidelines to staying compliant? Yes, you have built-in settings for making all your sites completely SEO friendly, and all that comes extremely fast and easy. Complete A to Z training. When you are diving into such a large pool of features, we are not leaving you alone there. You will see complete step-by-step training in PDF and video format to take you by the hand and make everything fast and easy. We literally have no competition, and we can see all these features compared to the others which have none. Imagine a new lightweight piece of technology that's so incredibly sophisticated, yet initiative, yet intuitive and easy to use, that allows you to do it all with literally one click. That's exactly what we've designed Buzzify to do for you. So if you want to build super engaging websites packed with trendy content and videos at the push of a button, then get viral social traffic automatically and converts it into sales, or from start to finish, then Buzzify is made for you. Buzzify is perfect for affiliate marketers, video marketers, e-com sellers, business coaches, digital product sellers, YouTubers, all info sellers, lead generation companies, music classes, sports clubs, bars, restaurants, hotels, schools, churches, taxi services, garage owners and dentists. When you grab your Buzzify account today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Limited time bonus number 1, live training. See how you can launch, sell and market any product, courses or services fast and easy. First 1,000 buys only. This has got a value of $997. Limited time bonus number 2, .com-pal. All in one growth platform for entrepreneurs. That's priceless. Limited time bonus number 3, ultimate notification system that shows your perfect offer to visitors according to what they need and generate you more lead sales and commissions. Super value bonus number 4, done for you setup services. Is priceless. Super value bonus number 5, how to monetize your website. Super value bonus number 6, how to start affiliate marketing. Bonus number 7, how to encash the power of viral marketing. Value bonus number 8, video marketing profit kit. That's a total value of $2,255. We're backing everything up with an ironclad 30-day risk-free money-back guarantee. I'm 100% confident that Buzzify will help you take your online business to the next level. I'm so confident on that, I'm making this offer a risk-free investment for you. If you have concluded that honestly, nothing of this has helped you in any way, you can take advantage of a 30-day money-back guarantee and simply ask for a refund within 30 days. Note, for a refund, we will require a valid reason along with the proof that you tried our system but it didn't work for you. I am considering your money to be kept safe on the table between us and waiting for you to apply and successfully use this product and get the best results so that you can feel it is a great investment. Thank you for watching this Buzzify review.